Hello everyone, my name is Parth Patel. I work as a vulnerability signature engineer at Qualys. ASEF is an ongoing project. At RSA 2013, I'll show you the next version of this framework where I'll demonstrate how to test all these Android applications remotely without even connecting the USB cable. But along with that, I have so much of an interesting statistical data to share with you guys, where we'll look into different marketplaces and which Android marketplace is much safer to download an Android application. While we are looking into all the statistical data, we'll also try to answer some of the biggest questions in Android security. But by the time we do that, please give a try to this framework by simply connecting your Android device using a USB cable to the machine which is running this framework. And in the demo, I'll walk you through how to test and interpret all this data of this framework.
I have already deployed ASEF on my Mac inside Android SDK. I'm going to start it in a device scan mode using option -D. It will first of all start the ADB server on a local machine. It will find the connected device. It will start its extractor module to extract all the Android applications from the Android device to the local machine. Once it has done that, it will start extracting all the asset information associated with these applications and populate the hash data structure. It will create the test directory hierarchy to store the results. It will go into the test suite mode where it will first of all launch the two background processes. One is to capture all the network traffic and another one is to store all the activity log on the virtual device. And then it will start installing the application one after another, launch them, send different gesture to collect the behavioral data, which will be later analyzed by the parser of this framework. As you can see on the right side, it is launching the first application and fuzzing with it. Once it's done testing, it will uninstall the application and move on to the next application. It will repeat this process for n number of applications. For the demo purpose, we are doing it for only two applications. By the time we are simulating the life cycle of these Android applications, behind the scene, we are collecting their behavioral data and organizing it in a test directory where the frameworks parser will try to interpret those data and analyze what type of network activity that they have conducted. As you can see in the results, you will be able to find out that the different servers that app has tried to access, if any app had a vulnerable component in it, and the amount of data that they have consumed.